LS 6.0, baby. Ooh, ooh. With a stage 4 Thule cam. Nope, we're not working on that. We're working on this 5.3 right now. Yeah. So 5.3 gonna go into my uncle's 98 Chevrolet. Show you the easy way removing wrung off manifold bolts. So spot weld. Screw right in there. Hit that bad boy. And lock your vice grips on it. And back that bad boy out, which I have already broke it loose because it's hard to work with one hand and film with the other. But you just run a spot weld on it. It don't matter if it's broke. This one was up inside the hole, so I had to build it up a little bit. It was a little bit more difficult. Yeah. Yeah. And the next bolt will start right in the heads are aluminum, so the weld ain't gonna stick to it. It boogers it up just a little bit around the outside edge, but the threads is pretty, man, pretty. Yep, easy way to remove wrung off manifold bolts. Y'all hit me up, like, subscribe, comment.